How to add filters to your TikTok videos. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So let's launch the TikTok application over here and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. And as we tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to either add photos, click videos, or even you can upload it from your gallery. So what you can simply do is you can simply shoot a video over here if you want to add filters to your videos. So I'm going to click a random video. So let's just click over here and then we're going to tap on the check mark. So as we tap on the check mark over here, it will lead us to a new page. So let's wait. And here you can simply swipe the screen over here and you'll be able to see different filters that pop up. So let me just swipe it over here. Or you can also add or tap on the stars icon over here so that you can add filters or effects. So here you can see the different options over here. You can select whichever is more convenient for you, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to add the filters and then tap on save and just post it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.